Now, we will introduce other options from Edit Time menu. For example, we press Edit Time, and if I want to edit the playback 4, I can enter number 4. Today, we will introduce the option Feature Order, Feature Overlap, and Slap Percentage. The feature order should run with the feature overlap or shape effects. Otherwise, we can't find the differences after setting. So now, we will introduce the feature overlap first. The feature overlap allows you to run a series features with trace effects in the stack. The default setting is 100%. It means all features change together. If it is 50%, the second order feature will not start until the first one is halfway through fading. For example, this playback defaults one like that. Then, for example now, I want to set all queues one with feature overlap to 0%. We can select all the steps together. Then, feature overlap, 0, enter. Now, let's have a look at the new effect of the playback. We can see the second feature starts when the first one finished. At the meanwhile, the features running order is orderly from 1 to 10. If we want them run in a new order, then we can press the feature order option for setting. We should set the feature order for queues one by one. If you want all queues in the playback run with same order, you would better use a group with setup feature order to create a program. For example now, I want the features in the first queue runs with the order from both sides to middle. Then I can select the first one and feature order. Then I can set up the order both side to middle. So the first step, I can select the first one and the last one. And next step, these two, and next, next, and next. When finished, exit and confirm to save. So now, let's have a look at the new order. We can see the first step runs with a new order from both sides to middle. And the second step still from the first one to the last one. Besides, we can close some of features if we don't want them run with feature overlap. For example, the last feature. Then we can press feature order, then close the last one, exit, and save. So now, let's have a look at the new effect. We can see the last one starts when the first one starts, and finish at the same time of the last feature ended. About the lap percentage. It allows you to control when instant channel should occur. For example, the color, global, and some other attributes. It defaults in 0. It means the channel occurs at the beginning of the step. For example, right now, we can see the color changes at the beginning of the step. If select percentage at 100%, the channel occurs at the end of the step. And if it is 50%, then the channel occurs in the middle of the step. For example, now, I want to set the select percentage of the second step. Select percentage, I want to set at 100%, then enter. So now, we can see for the first step, the color changes at the beginning of the step. And for the second step, the color changes at the end of the step. These are the functions of feature order, feature overlap, and select percentage.